What is up, Goody Gang? Welcome back to the channel. I'm bringing you guys through a day in the life vlog today. We're vlogging with Alex. She's gonna come over later after her workout and we're gonna enjoy the day by the beach. Before then, we're gonna get a workout in. So we're making our pre-workout meal right now, right behind us in the microwave. I actually gotta check on it. Oh yeah, it's almost blowing up. The worst thing in the world is when your oatmeal overflows and blows up. I've done that too many times. I don't even want to think about doing it again. So we got some oatmeal. Going to pair it with our churro protein powder from Evergen, code GOODY to support me. This is gonna be our pre-workout meal. Then we're gonna hit some back today. I've been breaking my workouts just one muscle group at a time. Been seeing that that's been doing one of the best ways to break up my workouts in the off season, bulking. If you guys didn't check out the last video, I kind of explained how I gained 25 pounds since my show. Most of it has been lean muscle and has been lean weight. So check that video out if you want to know how to bulk. Today is just gonna be more of a day in the life. I'm gonna whip up this oatmeal, show you guys what it looks like. All right, we're gonna sit down, enjoy this, let it digest for about an hour. So that's how I like to do my pre-workout meals. Eat it, digest it for about an hour, and then hit a solid workout. So I'll catch you guys then. Started to do more of these rear delt flies on both my back and my shoulder days because it is still part of that upper back and then my posterior rear delts. So very important to hit both of these on shoulders and back day, especially for me because it's the off season. I'm trying to grow as much as possible, and these rear delts are one of the things that I really want to focus on in the off season. So I'm going to hit them on both my back and my shoulder days. Overdeveloped rear delts, there's no such thing. Let's see what the pumps look like. Chest has no pump. Probably looks a little flat because we're bulking. No vascularity. If we're hitting the arms, we'd be crazy right now, but you know, the back probably looks good. Here's a little physique update after the back workout. We'll see what we're looking like. Losing a little bit of the abs, but we're up 25 pounds. All right, we're gonna wrap up, grab a protein shake, and get on with the day.